Okay guys, this is gonna be a flash video. We're gonna lift up the car right there from the oil pan. Then you're gonna take this bolt right, it's right there. Can you see it? It's gonna be right in there. There's gonna be this guy right here, and this is gonna have this kind of hexagon, and that's the number 7. I mean, this is not the right tool, but you can use this number 7. Okay, and then for the other one, because there's one on top of, so it's gonna be that one. That it's a number right there. That it's going to be this guy right here, and that's gonna be, let me see, sorry guys, this is 1 quart. So then you can remove that 1 quart, like a kind of like a hexagon little thingy. I mean, like I said, it's not the right tool, but you can use it. So then you're gonna remove the 2 bolts from there, I mean the 2 nuts, and then you're gonna remove the other one over there. Can't see, it's crazy, but that one right there, it's like a nut. So after that, I mean, you gotta remove this little thingy, this, and there's gonna be another one on the bottom where you remove the other one. So then what you're gonna do, wanna lower the jack until you got a little bit of play like this, and then right there from that little corner you're gonna sneak out your belt, and make sure you take a picture before you take it apart. And you just gotta reverse the process. So the measurements for this bolts or for this nuts, these are 19, this is 15 on this side, and 19 for the bottom. And obviously you gotta remove this panel. So if you have a little tool like mine, like this over here, this works great. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Well, actually, let me just finish it up. No, I'll show you how it looks. Okay guys, so I already put the belt in place. I mean, it's not all the way on, like you see right there, but I mean, that's the way it's gonna look. I am thinking I am gonna have to put everything back, and I'm gonna leave the belt at the end, but that's the way that the belt should go. Let's look from the bottom. I forgot to mention, you gotta take this 1 clip connector from there. Oh my god, can't see anything. Okay, right there, right there, something like that. This light is horrible, and my phone too. So that's how it's gonna look. Time to put everything back except for the belt. Okay, so I'm still underneath the vehicle. I already put that little bracket, not the bracket, like something like a spacer with a little where'd it go? Let's get right here. Little cord, I think that's like a ratchet quarter, And the number okay. 8 is number 8. Okay, so make sure it looks like this. Otherwise you have to take everything apart again. And don't forget the connector. I just connect. But you see how it looks? So then up there, you can see we're gonna put another 15mm nut. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I had a little trouble trying to put this stud back in place because this thing wouldn't fit. So what I did, I mean, supposedly the jack, right, it was, I mean, before it was on the ground. So when I crank it up, this thing aligned just perfectly. Okay, let me continue. Okay guys, so I put everything back in there. Everything, bolts over here, the bracket, except for the one on the bottom and the cover yet. I haven't, but I will in a tiny bit. So also, if you can get one of this for the belt, it's so handy. Let me put the light over here. One of this for the belt. I'm sorry guys, I apologize for the quality of this video. My kids have my phone, so I have this crappy phone for recording. Okay, so everything is back in place like it should be. I mean, I haven't put the cover yet. Okay, so I'm gonna start it up. The one thing I forgot to mention, so in order for you to have more clear space over here, you're gonna have to lift it up and put some kind of jack stands right there, so you can have more clear up here. Or you can even remove the tire if you like, but it's up to you. I mean, it's not a whole lot, it's kind of touching the floor. Well, let's see if it starts. It's a little dark over here. So let's give it like a little cranks, tiny ones. So if the belt was not in place like it should be, now it will. So like that, one, and I think that should be okay because they already turned. Okay, it looks like it's fine. Well, that's everything for now. Thank you. Bye. Just ask me if you have any questions. Just ask me whatever.